Hey there. So, imagine you're a Bing wallpaper enthusiast, eagerly waiting for your daily dose of stunning images to appear on your computer screen. You fire up your device, ready to be greeted by the beauty of the latest Bing wallpaper, but oh, there's a problem. The familiar images seem to have vanished in a thin air, leaving you scratching your head and wondering where they could have gone. Fret not, my friend, for I have a solution to your Bing wallpaper problem. So, let's dive into the solution that will help you locate those elusive Bing wallpaper images. By utilizing a simple command trick and delving into your app data directory, you can uncover the new hiding spot of these daily delights. The file names now follow the format www.bing.jpg, making them easier to identify. To unveil the treasure trove of Bing wallpapers, navigate to one of the following paths. %locl/packages/Microsoft.bingwallpaper_8wekid3d8we/local state/images/Bing or C:\/appdata/user/local-bingwallpaper_8wekid3d8we/local state/images/Bing. Winner! Your quest for the missing Bing wallpapers ends here. In summary, fret not, fellow Bing wallpaper enthusiast. The new location of these captivating daily images has been unveiled, waiting for you to explore and enjoy them once again. With a solution in hand, you can now easily access the Bing wallpaper images of the specified paths and bask in their beauty daily. So, go forth, discover the world of mesmerizing Bing wallpapers, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a witty comment below. Happy wallpaper hunting!